the highway. We're going to Bountiful. We go to church.
Look at the pollution in Bountiful.
Yep, because my birthday. We go to church and there is RJ. RJ. Please. Okay, see you there. Almost in the church. Where are you now? There is nice view. The mountain.
Oh, what's this church?
That knows this
Church.
thing.
It's a fire department.
This maybe this.
Maybe this is it. I saw Ola.
Oh, maybe other church this here.
Looks like a school or a fire department having a meeting.
But the view here, a lot of snow. The mountain view there.
Nobody could see around me.
Look at the snow so thick.
It's bountiful.
My
Don't
goodness.
you want to look? I wanted to look at it, but you didn't want to come.
We're just driving here in the mountain of Salt Lake City. We go up to the top. Look at this house there. It's a big house, huh?
I don't like that driveway that it is.
But you're in the top. Look.
Yep, not such a problem.
But
Was that the house we
so
went to view?
big.
Was that the model we went to look at once?
I don't know.
Homes, parade of homes. Yep, that's what it was. Up here you need a snowblower.
Yep. Nice and quiet here. The mountain is so far away to the other house, neighbor.
How about that house? The front view.
Yep, so big.
This lot's for sale.
Look at there. There's the sunset view.
Look at the smog down there.
Yeah.
Look at
The
There's another one. They're all selling. You know, they went out.
it's a big house here.
Is that what's for sale?
But have also
Look.
big. See the snow.
There's
$1
less-
million.
Less smog up north.
This house is $1 million. Very-
Everything up here starts in the million.
Yeah.
It's just how high is it? 1.8 to 2.4. There's nothing up here for 500. Okay. Nothing. He's good.
Look at this view.
He's good.
But the view there, all the valley there.
Must be nice on a nice day, not a smog day. Is that it? Deep? Let's turn around.
And turn around, look at that house.
What else?
Yeah. It's a big house, huh?
Look at that. My God. They say it's the worst pollution in the country.
In the high of the mountain.
And it's for sale.
Oh.
Just what you want.
Sell. How many millions that for sale?
Look at that. 4-car garage.
My God. Look at that house.
There it is.
Here's the mountain.
Look at the view.
There's sunset.
Oh,
And
see it?
there's the church there.
There's the temple. deer.
No,
Look, RJ.
there, the
Two deers,
deer.
3 deers.
Oh, look at the deer. Oh no! Where are you
They're
going?
scared. They're looking at us.
Yeah, they're scared. Just so.
They're wild animals.
Oh my God! I have 3 deer.
They
See?
eat leaves.
See that?
Wherever they can find a leaf on a tree.
Look at that deer.
Look at them.
He's scared. No, there he is. See? You not see? Oh no! The valley. Look at this
You
view.
see the deer, RJ?
So,
They're wild.
so high
afraid
now
of people,
here.
though.
Deer.
Do they eat rocks?
No. They eat leaves, I said.
Weeds, RJ. He ate.
Leaves.
Do they eat meat?
Maybe grass. I don't even know.
Do they eat
The grass.
No, they don't eat meat.
what?
Because they're different. They eat leaves.
It's amazing view here. It's so nice.
Which way do
But
you want to go?
it's smoggy. Smoggy there in the valley. Look.
Daddy, what happens if they rain here?
If it rains?
No.
It's the
Reindeer?
valley there.
Yeah, Santa Claus have reindeer.
Wow, nice
They're a
view
little bit
there.
different.
Look at the church in the top.
Because they have a red nose.
Yep. That's Rudolph.
A Mormon church there.
Rudolph has the red. Rudolph the red nose. Reindeer.
Reindeer.
That's a song, right? They sing that in class?
No. But we made
Look
Rudolph.
at this
Oh, you did?
here. All this
Wow.
houses have view.
And with Joey Red Nose. do Rudolph have a Joey Red Nose?
Nope.
Santa Claus has?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Or the Joey Nose?
Oh, look. A waterfall.
Wow, waterfall there.
With a Joey Red Nose?
It's coming off the mountain. Yeah?
Stone
Rudolph
Ridge.
has a Joey Red Nose.
Yep.
Do he actually have a Joey Red Nose? Are you sure he has a Joey Red Nose?
Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure.
What happens if Santa Claus has
Uh-oh,
a
police.
Joey-
Oh, police.
Police. It's a roadblock.
That's another accident there. Police.
Looks like they had an accident.
Yep.
Putting his big coat on.
No. Somebody was going too fast.
Yeah, we here. RJ. Look at RJ, where are you? What you looking behind you, RJ? You see the policeman there?
Police, doop, doop,
Oh
doop.
no, RJ. We here in the top,
Hey guys,
in the mountain.
look at this.
What?
Oh my.
What, RJ?
What?
What you doing there? Yay, almost there in the... Here is the Mormon church. Look at this.
Look here.
So big.
Look over here.
So it's not a Mormon church.
What's that?
What is it? It's a temple.
Mormons temples. Look at
Look
this.
here.
Look at that. In the top of the mountain here.
Do it.
So I thought it there.
It's so close
Right
now,
there.
huh?
Look at the view.
Close that the temple there. See? Close. There you go.
Rudolph has a Joey Red Nose. Rudolph is the
I don't know. Look it up on Google. You can get all the names.
Oh no, you go down. Train.
These are like LA houses.
Look at this house here.
Like Laguna and Miguel.
Yeah,
It's like, it's like
mini
that. They got
hilly,
ocean view here. We just got
a mini hilly.
mountain valley views.